Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Wolf and today I'm bringing you a different type of video. Here I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It was giving a problem where the main speaker wasn't as loud as it's supposed to be. So I did something really stupid, trying to do an amateur repair on it with a cheap ass heat gun that I got off eBay, and you can see what happened. I didn't record it that time, but I'm gonna record this just to show you guys what happens when you try to do your own DIY project not knowing how it is done or getting the proper tools. So when I first started, I actually chipped here first at the lower end of the phone, and when I chipped there I said F it, yeah, and just went at it. You guys would have cringed if you saw me going at this. But now I've ordered a back glass replacement, and I'm just gonna install it for you guys, and that will be the video. I'm gonna leave a link to the replacement glass that I ordered, also from eBay. Hopefully they got the measurements correct. So that's it. On to the rest of the video. Okay, so here guys, this is the replacement glass. I've already opened it, but I'm just gonna take it out of its packaging to show you what comes with it. This is a prying tool, a microfiber cloth, and wet and dry wipes to, you know, clean it off after installation. This is the actual back glass replacement. They say it comes with a IP68 water resistant adhesive, but as Zach from Jerry Rig Everything says, it might seem like it's watertight after you open it, but don't trust that. Don't put water near your phone after you've replaced anything or done a repair like this. So here I go. First I'm going to reopen the phone, not using any heat because I didn't reheat it to put the back on. I just put it right there. I might need a razor, but we'll see if this prying tool alone can just get it back up. Oh, and this is dangerous because you can see the shards of glass all over the place. I actually got cut the first time when I was forcing my way into the phone. Okay, now with the back off, we can proceed to start the replacement. This is the old back, yeah. This is the new one, obvious. I'm going to state that along the way. Okay, first I need to remove this. This is the adhesive film cover. Have to rest the fingerprint sensor in. Hands are shaking as fuck. That fits nicely. That's good. Now to prepare the glass. Fuck. Okay, let's see. How the hell does this thing install? Yeah, pretty much jank all around. What the hell? Yes. Okay, guys. So now that I've gotten the film off the adhesive, I'm gonna start with the tedious task of aligning this small ribbon cable of the fingerprint sensor with the connector on the motherboard. So let's see if we can do that. Oh. Okay, looks like it's in. Now to press it down and close the phone. You know it's gonna need more pressure than this for to make a perfect seal. Did So now I'm gonna peel off the plastic off the back. Look at that. Look at that. It's great. Yeah, unlocks. That means the fingerprint sensor is working. See all those fingerprints on the front of the phone? Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this amateur attempt at replacing a back glass for a Note 9 after he foolishly destroyed it. You see all those fingerprints? Cringy, right? But I got a little microfiber cloth that I can use to clean it off when I'm finished. It also comes in the package with the back glass. So this was a good experience. It was relatively easy, but the part that was hard, that was my problem, was installing back the fingerprint sensor ribbon. So I'm gonna put a link to the back glass. Thanks for watching. This has been Wolf. Peace out. Subscribe to the channel.